Hi guys, welcome to Monster Grove. Today we're going to go off and do an unboxing of the horror BAM box for April 2023. We know it's late, but the box got lost in the mail and we're trying to catch up. So first we have a collectible pin by the artist Addie Catterley from the film Dead Alive. So this is the common pin. It's really nice looking. There's a lot of detail, a lot of color to it. It's from the cover artwork of the VHS tape. Second, we have a very heavy metal paperweight. This is from the Unida Medical Supply Company. This is the medical supply company from the movie Return of the Living Dead, and that's the name of the company that the morgue uses. It's awesome. And here's an exclusive artist print by Carlos Gagna from the movie Evil Dead Rise. This is the possessed woman, which I think is the mom. I haven't got to see the movie yet, but this is the common version. The uncommon version has red blood across the hand. It's really awesome. And last but not least, we have the celebrity autograph of Eugene Clark as the character Big Daddy, which is a zombie, which was the gas station attendant in Land of the Dead. It's awesome. And so this concludes our stuff for the April 2023 BAM box. Hope you enjoy it.